Michael Scott Rowan is a Scottish fantasy and science fiction author and writer on opera. He had a number of short stories published before his first books, the science fiction novel Run to the Stars and the non-fiction First Bite. He then collaborated with Alan J. Scott on the non-fiction The Hammer and the Cross and the fantasy novels The Ice King and A Spell of Empire. Rowan is best known for the Ice Age set trilogy The Winter of the World. He also read the Spiral novels, in which our world is the hub or core of a spiral of mythic and legendary versions of familiar cities, countries and continents. In the author's note to the Lord of Middle-ear, Rowan asserts that he and Walter Scott have a common ancestor in Michael Scott, who is a character in the novel. According to his entry on the website of the Little Brown Book Group, after many years in Oxford and Yorkshire, he and his American wife Deborah now live in a small village near Cambridge, next to the pub. Biography. Family origins. His father was of French origin, born on Mauritius but educated in France and later studied at Edinburgh University. During the Second World War he joined the British Army. His mother came from the Borders. Early life. Rowan was born in 1951 in Edinburgh, in, apparently, the house next door to that of the famous author Robert Louis Stevenson. He was educated at the Edinburgh Academy and St Edmund Hall, Oxford University, where, having initially gone up to read English, he studied law. It was during his time as a student at Oxford that joined the science fiction group. Here he met the group's president, Alan Scott, who would later become his co-author on several books. He also met his future wife, Philadelphia native and Stanford postgraduate Deborah, through the group. The couple were to ultimately marry in 1977. Professional life and writing. He asserts that during his time studying, and after, he held various casual jobs, including librarian, software technical writer, editor, translator, and shipping rare botanical specimens around the world. Achieving his master's in 1973, Rowan left the legal field and went to work for an international publishing firm editing encyclopedias. This job he held for the next 5 years, until taking voluntary redundancy in 1978. It was at this point he began writing some of the works for which he is now best known, The Hammer and the Cross, and Run to the Stars. Interests Rowan from an early age. Read voraciously, everything from Dan Dare to the Larousse mythology, Conan Doyle, C.S. Lewis, Tolkien and his older sister's copy of Lady Chatterley. He has interests in anthropology, history, archaeology, and paleontology, but also cinema, hi-fi and home entertainment. He was for 2 years a columnist for the London Times, and also at one time, a music journalist, a columnist and reviewer for Music Magazine and Opera now in its first 2 years, and a regular contributor to Classic CD, International Opera Collector, and others, as well as creating and editing the Classical Video Guide. He is still a contributor to opera publications. He enjoys classical music and cites amongst his favorite composers Richard Wagner, Mozart, Sibelius, Mussorgsky and Rimsky-Korsakov. He speaks French and German, plus a little Finnish, and is trying to learn Russian. He briefly played guitar and sang in a folk rock band. He and his wife enjoy archery and share a strong interest in wildlife conservation, particularly singing at the Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust. Bibliography. The Winter of the World, The Anvil of Ice, The Forge in the Forest, The Hammer of the Sun, The Castle of the Winds, The Singer and the Sea, Shadow of the Seer, The Spiral Chase, The Morning, The Gates of Noon, Cloud Castles, Max's Demon. Other works: Run to the Stars, First Bite, The Lord of Middle-ear, with Alan J. Scott, The Hammer and the Cross, Fantastic People, Magical Races of Myth and Legend, The Ice King, A Spell of Empire. German language works: Wolfsdammerung, Furtenwelt 01, Der Herr der Dämmerung, Gralsdämmerung.